Hello guys, we meet again. This is the second part of our bone and rigging for beginner in Blender 3D tutorial series. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to subdivide existing bone. But first, as I mentioned on my first video, that we will use forward kinematic technique. In this video, I also want to show you another technique which is use auto inverse kinematic technique here. If you want, this technique is if you click this auto inverse kinematic, check if you move the difference is if you move this bone the third bone here, the first and second bone will also move. See, it's like, it's like a puppet that the people like to play. See, it will move the whole bone if you use this inverse technique, but if you use forward, it's just gonna move the selected bone. If you use inverse, it's gonna move the whole bone. See, in this tutorial, I also want to show you how, if you want to subdivide the axis bone, but we will create a, let's just object mode and go to second layer, and in this second layer we will create a cube. Change the dimension here, be like that. And then we will add a horizontal and vertical segment, new segment. So go to edit mode. I like to change to front view, and we will create a new segment on horizontal on x-axis here. So I can control R and create maybe 3 new segment or 4. Click and right click again, and on horizontal, I mean vertical, I'm gonna split this on 2 parts. I only want to have 2 parts of the top face here. This face, I wanna cut it in the middle of the face, but in Blender, so far there is no tool that can give you a snap midpoint to cut the midpoint here, like other 3D program. So your only choice is on use the knife and cut in the middle of the face, but there is no snap tool here. There is no snap point, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I usually just make it to the front on ortho view and make sure you in wireframe so it can select all the selection border, so just gonna wait here, and I press H to hidden. Just gonna hide this hole. And now we have the single face, and now we can cut through the midpoint here. Ctrl R and there. And to display the hidden object, just Alt H. Now we have all the hidden faces back. Now I want to pull these two vertex, meet the second vertex here. Active the snap element, just like that, like that. And go to face mode, and because we will also add a subdivide surface, subdivision surface modifier, we need to erase all the transformation history by select the object and Ctrl A and choose rotation and scale. And now we will back to edit mode like this and choose the top face here, and I want to extrude the two faces here on their direction to their original direction, so we need to choose extrude individual here, so click, and now you can extrude. Now you can have like this, maybe. Yes, and then extrude individual again. Maybe like this, and then we will try to think we will extrude again, just oops, sorry. Maybe like that. Yes, and I'm gonna vertex all I'm gonna remove double vertices, so we don't have double vertices anymore. This is look like Y letter, right? So just C, and then maybe like that. this like this, and then we will give it a subdivision surface. So maybe 3, so it can smooth a little bit. And now we will add some bone. I want to change to front view and see, wait, choose armature single bone here. Change like here, scale, maybe like this, and then oops, X-ray so I can see through the object, and extrude, oops, enter to get into edit mode and extrude. Now we have another bone here. Scale to see. Oops, let's see like this maybe. And then extrude again to create one in this part, like that. Next, I want to make the top of the Y here, the faces here, a little bit smooth, so it will have, it will not have a funny look when we try to regain. So select the Y letter here and go to edit mode and choose the round edges here. If you don't know, you can choose one edges first and Ctrl E and just add loops. Now the 4 edges will select it, and we will pull these edges a little bit here in this way. So change the transfer orientation to normal, and like this maybe. Oops. Okay, I think it's enough for now. I'm gonna maybe like this. And if you want to split this existing mode to become two part of the bone, you can just click on the bone and press W and subdivide. Now you have two bone, W, subdivide. And now we want to add rigging method by put the Y letter inside the bone, so whenever you move the bone, the letter also will move. So select the letter first and then select the bone, and then bone, and then Control P and with automatic weight. Now whenever you go select the bone and pause mode, and you can rotate, oops, sorry, like that, maybe rotate again, go back object, select the subdivide here, put the armature top of the armature modifier top of the subdivision surface, and can enter again on pause mode and edit again, move again like this maybe. Okay, maybe can move the part of the bone maybe like this, I don't know, maybe like this. Okay, I think it's enough for now. Can move the bone whenever direction you want. Okay, think that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon on another part of this series tutorial. Bye.